Try to go together, though. Go, Kyle, go. Oh, Kyle bit it. And Kelsey is gone. Kelsey! What in the hell did you do, Kyle? All I saw was skis fly. Are you okay? Does it hurt that bad? Really? Hey Bart, how's that for your son's first wipeout? Big one anyway.
That was my first wipeout, period.
Kyle's professional way of skiing.
No, put the toe in there. You ain't got your toe in there.
Your toes got to be in there the right way, Kyle. Use that stick. That's what you got it for. It's there to support you.
There you go. Push.
All the way down. Is it down? Lift your foot
Push.
up. There you go. Now it's in.